So in this video, I'm going to discuss the digit operation problem which occurred in today's CODECHEF challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. So this problem is very simple. This is n and this is k. I'll let you know what it is. So n is the size of two arrays, and you have to convert this array into this by taking at most like two, what to say, it's the cost should be at most 2. Okay, and what do you mean by cost? The cost is 0 if you swap digits of any two numbers in the array, and the cost will be 1 if I want to change any digit with any other digit. Okay, that is like over here 1 and 9, if I swap the digit 1 of 1 and digit 9 of 9, then it becomes 9 and 1, right? So this becomes 9 and 1. So what is the cost of doing that? 0, because to swap you need 0 cost and 0, and I was given the maximum cost of 2. So 0 is obviously lesser than equal to 2, so we print yes. For this 1 and 11, 11 and 1, it is not possible. So over here, like now I'm going to go into the details of the solution. Over here you can see that there is a case where the length of this and the length of this is not equal. So if at any position the length of both a of I and b of I are not equal, we can print no directly. Okay, this is a very important thing. Else what you have to do, over here see, all lengths are equal, right? All lengths are equal. So now we have to check. What do we have to check? We have to check the frequency. Okay, frequency of all the digits. Okay, so this is the frequency array of all the digits. For this you just increase the frequency. So let's say this is frequency, for this is frequency 1, and for this you make frequency 2, right? 10. So let's make an array frequency 1 and frequency 2. Okay, so frequency 1, how many times 0 is present? 0 times, right? How many times 1 is present? 1, 2 times, right? How many times 2 is present? 1, 2, 3 times, right? For 3 there is only 1. For 4, no 4. 5, no 5. 6, no 6. 7, no 7. 8, there is 1, and 9, there is 1. Okay, so this is how the frequency 1 array looks like. For this 0 is present nowhere. 1 is present 1 to twice. 2 is present twice. 3 is present 1 time. 4 is present nowhere. 5 is present nowhere. 6 is present nowhere. 7 is present nowhere. And 8 is present 1 to 2 times. And 9 is present 1 time, right? Now you can see there's a pattern. Okay, there's a pattern, that is over here 3 minus 2 is 1, and over here 2 minus 1 is 1, or 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so what you can do is you can find out the places where it is positive and store it into, let's say, a temporary variable temp1, and wherever it is negative, by how much it is negative, so that is temp2. And if you like watch it minutely, the parameters of temp1 and temp2 will be same. Not the parameters, the value of temp1 and temp2 will be same, just the difference will be for temp2 it will be negative, and for temp1 it will be positive. So you don't even need to make this temp2. Okay, so wherever you see that ARR of I, frequency 1 of I is greater than frequency 2 of I, you make temp1 plus is equal to frequency of 1 of I minus frequency 2 of I. We will only make this when this is a positive number, not when it is a negative number. Like for this case we don't need to make it. So what is temp1? We know this. And if this value of temp1 is if temp1, ignore my handwriting, if temp1 is lesser than equal to k, then we can say that it's a big yes. Okay, else it's a big no. Okay, so you know this. Okay, so this is the thing. Like why we do this? Because the 0, 1, 2, the 2, okay, over here this 2 I can replace it with what is over here, it is 8, so I can replace 2 with 8. Okay, so like I'll show you how we are going to do it. So I can replace this 2 with 8, and see 28 28 it matches. 13 98 it doesn't match, because we can make 8 swap over here and this becomes 3, and 9 and 1 swaps. So now this 2 matches. So 12 and 21 you can make 2 and 3 swap, so it becomes 2 and 3. Then 2 and 1 swap, so it becomes 2 and 1. And make 3 and 1 swap, so it becomes 1 and 3. So what is 21 and 21? Now you see this is 1 and 3, so you can swap with this and this, like the swapping thing is like this is now 13 and this is 31, so you can swap 3 with 1, and then this one with 3, and it becomes 31. So 31 31 matches, 21 and 21 matches, 98 and 98 matches, 28 and 28 matches. So this is how, like, the operation is a little bit complex, but the code, the logic behind this code is like, I won't say it's complex or simple, but it's kind of like good. This was a good question. So that's what I meant. So this is it. Thank you.